ACCA just announced a redesigned qualification structure that will impact future accountants. In this video, I would like to explain what are the changes, when will it be effective, and what are the impacts on students. And before we start, don't forget to subscribe our channel in which important ACCA exam news, exam topics, and tips will be shared. Now, to be qualified as ACCA member, you are required to first pass or exempt 13 ACCA exam papers, in which divided into 3 levels: applied knowledge, applied skills, and strategic professional. Next, you have to complete and pass one module called Ethics and Professional Skills module. And finally, you have to fulfill the 36 months approved practical experience. What I called them is exams, modules, and experience, the EME, in the qualification structure. Under redesigned ACCA qualification, this EME requirement structure has no significant change, but the details are not the same. For the exam, the papers are still divided into 3 levels, but the names changed, which are knowledge, expertise, and strategic professional. The good news to students is you don't need to pass or exempt 13 papers. You only need to pass 11 exam papers. But for the module, students are required to pass 3 essential employability modules, in which a module is assigned into each level. For experience, there's no change in the 36 months rule, but there are options for students in it. So let's start with the knowledge level. It covers financial accounting, management accounting, business law, and the responsible business management module. In other words, business and technology exam is replaced by the module. On completion, you will be rewarded with a higher diploma, and you also have a chance to achieve the Certified Accounting Technician qualification. Next, the expertise level. It tackles more specialized areas like audit, tax, financial reporting, finance and investment, and performance analytics. You will complete the digital tech and innovation module under the expertise level, and this module is completely new in the qualification structure. On completion, you will be awarded with an advanced diploma, and there is the opportunity to gain a BSc in professional accountancy. At the strategic professional level, you will take 2 core exams. One focused on business and sustainability reporting, and another on strategic business leadership. You will also choose one option exam from areas like audit and assurance, corporate finance, performance and insights, taxation, and ACCA introduced the new optional paper called Data Science Professional Option. This level also includes a module called Ethical Sustainable Leadership module. Students have to complete and pass this module. In the redesigned ACCA qualification, students are no need to pass 2 optional exams. In the future, 1 optional exam is adequate for them. The Ethics and Professional Skills module will be replaced by the Ethical Sustainable Leadership module. On completion of the Strategic Professional Exams and Essential Employability module, as well as the Practical Experience requirement, you will move on to achieve the ACCA qualification and become an ACCA member. For students, you can start at different levels based on your previous qualifications, with a foundation level for those who have no prior accountancy education. ACCA also introduced the optional employability modules. So what about it? In addition to the essential employability modules, the optional employability modules allow students to develop key skills throughout their career and stay ahead in the competitive market. And those optional employability modules are available for students, affiliate members, as well as members. The topics covered in the optional module include a broad range, areas such as use of accounting software, cloud accounting, personal effectiveness and leadership, technology such as AI. To complete the qualification, students or affiliate members need to have 36 months of relevant supervised experience. But in the future, up to 6 months can come from the selected optional employability modules. The first milestone of the new ACCA qualification structure is the syllabus. For the knowledge exam syllabus, it will be released on November 2025. It is included in the guidance pack. Apart from the syllabus, the sample exam paper and examinee guidance will be published as well. For expertise and strategic professional exams guidance pack, it will be shared by ACCA on March 2026. For the exam part, the final sitting of current applied skills and strategic professional exam will be in June 2027. Start from July 2027, the knowledge exams available on demand. And from September 2027, the expertise and strategic professional exams will be launched. Regarding for the modules, the knowledge level will be available on early of 2027, and for the expertise and strategic professional module, they will be available in mid of 2027. If you ask me what the changes mean for you, it all depends what's your progress in September 2027. For affiliate members, if you complete all exams and the EPSM, no impact to you. So you just go ahead for practical experience requirement. If you haven't completed the EPSM by September 2027, you need to complete the new Essential Employability module on Ethical Sustainable Leadership in the redesigned ACCA qualification. And for all other students, in general, the exam you passed in the current syllabus will be transit to the redesigned ACCA qualification. But please pay attention to the following. First, there's no more business and technology exam in the redesigned ACCA qualification. If you pass it before June 2027, credit will be given to you so that you no need to do essential employability module on the responsible business management. And if you cannot pass or exempt all papers under the applied skills module in the current ACCA syllabus, such as law, taxation, financial reporting, audit and assurance, performance management, and financial management before the deadline, which is June 2027, you need to take one additional module in the new ACCA qualification structure, which is the digital tech and innovation. And you also need to pass the equivalent exam in the new structure. So how about strategic professional exam? Under current ACCA qualification structure, you need to pass 2 essential papers, Strategic Business Leader, or the SBL, and Strategic Business Reporting, or SBR, with 2 optional papers from AFM, APM, ATX, or AAA. But under the redesigned ACCA qualification, students are required to pass 2 mandatory exams, which is S1, the Business and Sustainability Reporting, and S2, Strategic Business Leader, and 1 optional exam. It's a good news to pass, or to those passed all essential papers and only 1 optional paper in current ACCA regime, since they don't need to pass any more optional exam to be required or to be qualified. I just share with you some of the examples. You can go to ACCA website to check what are impact on you in the change of ACCA qualification. We will update any new ACCA qualification development here and what are the impact for students, affiliates, or even members. Subscribe our channel to ensure you don't miss any of them. Thank you for watching.